Prefer just egg you.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Vlogmas Day 8. Yes. I reach at 8, so I'm soon reach at 10. Then I'm going to reach at 15, then I'm going to reach at 25. Wow. So Vlogmas Day 8. Now I leave the yard today. Not sure about Jason, but me, my sister-in-law, my brother-in-law, they're here. So I don't know what we're gonna do today, but you know, so it's a whole vibe because from morning we wake up, we just a chat, we drink some tea, so now me I make breakfast so we can eat, fresh up, and do some videos, okay? I don't know if you can see it, but it's a beautiful day. I woke up this morning, I'm gonna wash one load of clothes already. Like, you see, from the whole pandemic start, I always have enough dirty clothes. And trust me, if I see my basket start full, it annoy me. So I just always have to wash them. I make breakfast, I gotta make pumpkin rice and mackerel. I don't know if I ever tried that before, but I love it. Comment below and let me know. I go finish make some breakfast now. Then I go bed. I go out there so with Jason and Lovell them there. Wanna enjoy yourself?
Yeah, man, go and drink some rum.
Rum? Alright. Yeah, enjoy yourself?
Yeah.
You sure? Yeah, so that me feel good.
I just want some food.
Now ask me if I enjoy what
Come
I
to
say.
your show.
Like your man, take up.
Morning. Yeah, Mr. Go take out them ears ring there. Guys, una be the judge. Cause people say me judgmental through Jason trim off him beard and me say him look ugly. Well, look your face. Look on them earring, I look good. It's a no for me. Like, me love the little teeny cute one there. Me just make it look like a little mus. Cute, is it?
You know, so one girl that got see me make her so wet after all of that. But that now I'm gonna give them flag.
You know me go cut him out. So, me go done make food so they can eat, okay?
Yeah.
Look, you don't visit again, you know?
Well,
You come here more than how much time now? Much this time?
one time we come here.
Oh, this is their second. Alright, may I give them a pass? This is them second time. This is the best mackerel, by the way. These are the best mackerel. I don't know about one, but comment and let me know. And I gotta put sweet corn in there, and my rice a steam, and the machine stop. So I'm gonna give it one more spin, and then that's it. I'm showing them my rice. Alright guys, so the rice done steam. Yeah. So guys, it's breakfast time. See it look
Well,
like
Jason.
wishy. Enough enough, so I'm gonna wish enough.
Wait till me say.
When we gonna talk?
Okay.
Alright, amen, babe, go eat. So guys, we're gonna eat this real quick and come back. Lucy gone bed.
Why?
You might get fat though.
Let me tell him this today.
Me feel happy. Me a feed him in a love and me a try with him. The only thing left for him now a turn calm
You
me.
make it so like me a sad case.
Yeah, it can't come. Yeah, it can't come. Yeah, it can't come.
Who it don't come here?
Just say you say it can't come.
Me used to?
Mm-hmm.
Ask my
Go on,
mother.
so.
Ask my mother.
Yeah, the picky with it, but.
That means me eat it. Come on, man.
Me not come none. You have to pay me.
You know, say I truly go here to start them like this one. No. Me expect it.
No, you don't want it?
You don't have to be like that, you know. Best I tell you. Babe, go, babe. Babe, that hot, you know.
Yeah, brush your ear.
Yo, that hot, you know. If you got to me, I see you there again, man. Babe, look at. I'm gonna make my sister come here.
try your best. Turn inside. It's squishy. Oh, you never see you late. I'm never value your time.
Never value my time.
Uh-huh.
I'm never value my time.
You're welcome.
Good man.
Come peasy, go on.
My girl, deaf stop time, so.
You see me never say the actual thing, then I know what I mean. But that's a peasy. Peasy.
Before you did pray for everything come true. Boy.
I don't, me got.
You know, say you want a son. I say a son, you want a daughter.
Sometimes I just feel like this.
I just still love. And you don't know if you're angry, you fool.
You come here in my room.
No, no.
Come in my room.
Give me a Ferrari, give me a Ferrari. I'll leave out now.
Bye. I love us. Just take up them there for the line. Me I go on good. So I just take up those because the sun extra hot and I go show you something. I don't know if you know to be on me right now, but all of them they are jeans on the front line. All of them. We wear jeans hard in the house here. Pigtails. Oh yeah, we forgot put guys, we forgot put chicken in our pigtail soup because Jason not eat pigtail. Alright, see pigtail here. Put them in a one dish because we're gonna put it for boil out some of the salt. Oh, and guys, this is what I used to wash this. So good. When we use this, it not affect Jason's sinus. Jason have bad sinus and normally just wash sheet and pillowcase with just normal soap, no softener, no nothing. Cause if it's too strong, Jason can't manage. But this not affect him none at all. So this is what I used to wash. So yeah, you can try it out. If you not use the wash already. Guys, and then I see me some big hairdresser. Show them now. Show them.
Mama here for the
Yeah?
Mama here for
Move fryer.
Start off with me no roll up. Can't come out there.
Pumba, me can't believe. Boy.
Yeah, a long time. My sister not do me here now.
No, sir. Me Anne. But me can't go get my girl baby then, man. Now for bother some wanna boy. Remember my sister come me here already in a Lovell. My mother always buy bubbles too. One thing with my mother buy bubbles and clip. And my sister use say at 30 bubbles and my sister use 30 of them in my ear, 30 different color with different color clip. Me bar so till me say me ugly. Oi, me Anna Papa. Me can't carry no guys. This is the only thing me can do.
If you can't do it inside one, you can do it outside.
We can't do it outside one. I promise you, I enjoy their first person ever teach me how to do it and me can't do it. Me can't catch it.
Mama here for the too.
So guys, Lucy have a pigtail a skull off because it's salt. We're going to record one video right now, but me I can't know level here in a two. Because she did. I don't know how you did it when you come here, but you pull up.
Twist skin, so then call it.
Me I come in there. This toothbrush I hear it using and that's why I look like this. You look black and a dirty. Me promise you. Me promise.
I saw every ear brush look.
What? Lucy!
Lucy.
It's pigtail! Behind the scene. Me turn it down.
Oh, I saw it. I make it up. Phone.
Come love me. Guys, you know, see, everything is not always perfect. And that's a good funny baby ear, guys. That's how you make? Of course. Look.
I don't know for the baby or
See that baby up there? Alright, next side.
So yeah guys, look at this. Yeah.
I try, vanilla, I try. The funny, not bad. Well, it done.
At least look good.
I try. Right? Oh, it feels so good to watch somebody else in my kitchen. Oh my god.
Hot.
It feels to be in my kitchen. They always watch me in my kitchen over the internet. So I'm gonna make you boil the soup in a bigger pressure cooker. A 2 pressure cooker, man.
Oh, yeah.
So talk what you
You want some pimento seed and garlic?
Pimento seed.
To make it go on pressure in there.
Should I do this? That's me and chef for you.
No. Not company from me.
This is simple use. Play with me. Do anything.
Alright, so guys, this is a pressure we're gonna do on video, so yeah, soon come back. Guys, look at my view. So peaceful and nice, guys. Where I don't know?
Like if you know them bad man style.
Of course.
Oh, why me I do this?
A great pumpkin. But yeah, I use the big side.
Yeah.
No shit. A chef eat that what, you know?
Let me see if
Come
I
on,
do
man.
this.
Yeah, so I don't know if I can stay to see how the soup look for Vlogmas Day 8. But definitely in Vlogmas Day 9, you guys will see it. Alright guys, so Lucy in our kitchen, I finish up the soup. Lovell there. Lovell there, so she said she hungry, but she wait for her soup.
God know if I did Jason X would have make food a long time.
I just can't make good.
From my meal breakfast me eat. If I did Jason X, would I get all 3 meal long time.
Lovell, I know my haircut, huh?
You can put it on. I don't know. You prefer Jason X though. Not show me the share a picture. You don't prefer, don't know she. Are you there for the cooking?
No, look, she said I'm going to boil the soup.
The girl would have probably add all KFC to it. God knows. Same thing. Not sure we love KFC already. This girl make me a cook.
Lovell, my record, you know?
You know, record. You just give me opinion. God know. I love Jason X. Girl give me anything that will text her, so.
When you still text?
Okay, no. She watch my video, and man comment and everything. I said, I can't wait to see you, honey. We said we have to link up on something.
I mean, not when I'm wrong still, but this is new.
Yeah, if you be jealous.
No, I'm not jealous, it's just that.
Prefer, because you must prefer somebody. You don't probably you prefer my ex more than.
No. I prefer Lucy. I don't know because Lucy there.
No, but everybody have their preference.
Well, that's very true. Well, not wrong if you prefer, but just random. Random bad.
True, Lord God Almighty.
Me not beg to just random. No, but I'm me a record and you start talking, you know? You know, say I'm me a record and you think me did cut the camera? Or you think?
But you know, if you know, we have everybody preference. Supposed to be like the girl treat me better, the girl carry me out, me come and yard, it not treat me no way like how you would have treat me.
Oh, me treat Lovell! Oh, me treat guys, me know Lovell, I don't care with me. Oh, me treat ya.
I'm if you sleep on a little bed and drop off.
Jesus.
Probably girl would have got hotel. You know, we are supposed to come here to me.
No, sir, guys, me shock. And I make cut out that still. I cut out it, but if I feel that way, then nothing wrong still, because I'm like she. No, I'm not feeling away because she wasn't a bad person. we don't know what she and Jason got
You know
through.
she's a bad person.
Exactly, but at the same time, it just random because me and Ricardo you just said that just like that. It just random. And how me treat you?
Well, treat me. You know, you treat me already.
Hold on. Guys, me and Lovella have one conversation, right? I'm not going to tell you the whole of the conversation. But she said something like me treat her away.
Yeah, she treat me away.
Oh.
First of all, they was the and people water the girl that
Live it like Jesus. Live it.
Guess when people come in here, you must treat them good. Where you say?
Lucy?
Where you say Lucy?
Lucy, yes, so that too. Oh, no, prank me? Oh, no, prank me?
They're probably tell her to give you some skills that off the tree.
What? You're bright? No, love it. No, love it. No, you're bright. No, you're bright. You know what? I'm just end off my video because I know you're bright. Guys, so me and Lovella have one conversation where I just going to end off my video right now because I'm not in a mood. I'm really not in the mood. I'm not going to hear the conversation, but you should not Jew.
I try to cram it.
Lovella no Jew.
People, before Angel even make YouTube channel, Angel know our relationships here. Angel should
No,
have
problem. That was a good one. Guys, don't catch me.
I
Don't
love
catch
your feelings.
Wait, no, put me up, no, me go edit to no, you know. Guys, I hear somebody on mats up and I say, alright, me go edit this out, I go edit that out. No, don't do that.
She knows that much, bro.
I mean, nothing wrong if we still communicate because
No.
I don't have nothing against none of JCX them. Let me just make that clear.
We don't
And-
communicate. Everything what we say, I lie.
I lie?
Yeah, we don't communicate.
But knowing you, it would have disbelief because Lovell is like that. Lovell nice like that. So if Lovell tell me say she communicate with them, nothing other wrong.
Because
Plus,
everyone at just like them love me.
plus me would have feel no way personally. Me not lie, me would have feel no way, but it just random how you just said. And Lovell wait until you know me a record, you know. When you say I share food and I cook, right now me in my feelings and my voice start crap.
God, nothing.
But nothing wrong still, I have nothing against just to X them. And when it comes down to females, like let me tell you now, me have them back. I don't normally speak down on a female. So if Lovell did still communicate with her brother X, nothing wrong because me a family member where me and them partner build a bond, you know, and we still communicate. And my family member can't tell me some enough to talk to them. Worse if them never end on one bad note or I don't know, I just not do things like that. Even if my family member and them did end on one bad note, I might not close with them, but me now gonna say me gonna stop deal with them.
If she see me, she still can't to me.
And nothing wrong with that. Because I know like you have nothing. Exactly. So nothing wrong, but it's just that it is so random. So you just get up. Come here and say, oh, me treat like listen, when people come on me yard, let me tell you this, me say it's anything you want. Because me personally, I don't watch food. And if you watch me video, so going back to that Lovell, you really mash up my meds. Romy really make me feel bad because I'm ready for going there and say, Romy, I'm ready for going there and say, Romy, leave it soup. Me will boil it. Me will boil my soup. But guys, I'm going to end off my video right here, so because I don't know if I can get to see soup, but I definitely going to put it in a Vlogmas day 9.
Yes, I remember if you go back to Lovell, Lucy and Lovell and show us some love. Help us to get to 10K, guys.
Yeah, help them to get to 10K, guys. Subscribe to their channel, show them some love, and just support the little YouTubers them out here because we really try a thing.
Yeah.
And we really entertain, you know. We really show you what happening in our life. Just like with me and Vlogmas. Today I wake up, I never have not much to do, but I still pick up my camera and say, listen guys, I don't appreciate my content. I don't want to see Vlogmas from me. And this is what I did today. I now hide and pretty up nothing. See my life here, and this I do today. Nothing extra, nothing less. The only thing I want to upload my videos so I can't go see Lucy soup. So it's going to come in tomorrow's vlog, which is Vlogmas Day 9. You know it?
Yeah.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 50K. Bye guys.